Do you have high blood sugar and don't know how to bring it down? Are you looking for quick and safe solutions, but everything you find only seems to work long-term? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll share two simple and natural methods to help reduce blood sugar levels quickly. No medication, no insulin, just using what science already knows and what your body truly needs. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Here we share practical, evidence-based tips to help you take care of your health every day. Ready? Let's get to the good part. When you realize your blood sugar is high, imagine checking your glucose at home and the number shocks you. 200, 220, maybe even higher. You know that's not good. You feel dizzy, your mouth is dry, you're tired, and the question hits you immediately. What do I do now? How can I lower it right away? First, don't panic. Second, understand the difference between two things: long-term blood sugar control, achieved through habits, diet, and if needed, medication, and the immediate management of a sudden spike or acute hyperglycemia. Today, we're talking about the second one, what you can do in that exact moment when your glucose is sky high and you need to bring it down safely. And although the internet is full of miracle advice, there are really only two proven medication-free methods that actually work. Method 1, drink water. Yes, it's that simple. It might sound too basic, but water is one of the most powerful tools when it comes to controlling glucose. And no, it's not magic, it's pure biology. Think about it. Glucose travels through your bloodstream. When there's too much sugar circulating, your body needs to get rid of the excess. And who filters your blood? Exactly, your kidneys. They clean the blood and eliminate some of that extra glucose through urine. But to do that, they need water. If you're dehydrated, the process slows down. If you're well hydrated, your body can eliminate more glucose and balance levels faster. So the logical question is, how much water should you drink for this to work? How to do it correctly? The key is to hydrate gradually and consistently. It doesn't help much to chug half a liter all at once and forget about it. According to institutions like the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, the ideal approach is to drink about 1 liter of water over the course of an hour. That's roughly 5 large glasses, or 1 glass every 10 minutes. And it should be plain water at room temperature. No juices, sodas, or natural drinks that hide sugar. Think of it as an internal cleanse. As you drink, your kidneys filter, urine output increases, and your body flushes out part of the excess glucose. And yes, this doesn't replace medical treatment, but it can be an effective, science-backed strategy to stabilize yourself during a sudden spike. Try it. Drink water steadily for about an hour, and you'll likely feel lighter, less dry, and more clear-headed. Your body is literally working to clean your blood. Method 2, move your body, light to moderate activity. The second method is just as simple and just as powerful. It doesn't involve pills or extreme diets. It involves movement. Yes, moving your body, even just a little. When you engage in any physical activity, your muscles need energy to contract. And what's their favorite energy source? Exactly, glucose. So when you move, your muscles use up some of the glucose floating around in your bloodstream. It's a natural self-regulating mechanism your body already has. But here's the important part. You don't need to overdo it. In fact, overly intense exercise can temporarily raise blood sugar because of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. So the trick is to keep your movement gentle to moderate. Examples of effective activities: walking, stretching, gardening, dancing, cycling at an easy pace, or slowly climbing stairs. All of these work. The goal isn't to exhaust yourself, but to activate your muscles enough for them to start using that excess glucose. If you want to be more precise, here's an easy way to gauge your effort. Your maximum heart rate equals 220 minus your age. For moderate activity, aim for about 65% of that number. For example, if you're 40 years old, 220 minus 40 equals 180. 65% of that is around 180, 117 beats per minute. That's your sweet spot. But if you don't have a smartwatch or heart rate monitor, don't worry. You can go by feel. If you can talk while moving without losing your breath, you're at a light intensity. If you can only speak in short phrases, you're at a moderate level. Just 15 to 20 minutes at that pace can help your body naturally use up extra glucose. So far, we've covered two simple but powerful tools. Drink water and move your body. If you're finding this information helpful, leave a comment sharing your experience with blood sugar control or what's worked for you. And if you haven't yet, subscribe so you don't miss future videos on nutrition, energy, and realistic health. No myths, just science. What not to do when your blood sugar is high. Here's the part most people don't know. Some things that seem healthy can actually make things worse. For example, drinking juices, smoothies, or miracle teas that promise to lower blood sugar. Most of these remedies work only because they hydrate you, not because of any special ingredient. But some of them also contain natural sugars or carbs that can do the opposite. So if you need to lower your sugar right now, avoid juices with fruit or honey, detox shakes with oats, banana, or dates, any drink with added sugar, and remember, nothing replaces plain water. Water is neutral, doesn't raise your sugar, and helps your body process it efficiently. A little experiment you can try yourself. Still skeptical? Try this. One day when your sugar spikes, use those miracle remedies you see online. The next day, just drink water and do light physical activity instead. Then compare your glucose readings with your meter. You'll notice the difference. What truly makes a difference is what helps your body do its job, not what overloads it. What's happening inside your body? When your glucose is high, your body is trying to restore balance. Your pancreas releases insulin, your kidneys filter, your muscles burn energy, all at the same time. The problem is, when the system gets overloaded, it needs a natural boost. That's where hydration and movement come in. Water helps blood flow better and supports the kidneys' work. Exercise helps burn glucose for fuel. Two forces working together, one eliminates, the other uses. That's why combining them, for example, drinking water while going for a light walk, can give even better results. It's a simple, effective way to help your body restore equilibrium. How to keep levels stable afterwards. Now you know how to act when you have a spike, but ideally you want to avoid getting to that point. Here are some daily strategies to help keep your glucose stable. Stay well hydrated throughout the day, not just when your sugar's high. Get light physical activity several times a day, even for 10 minutes. Avoid sitting for long periods. Watch your carb portions and pair them with fiber or protein. Sleep well. Poor rest can raise blood sugar too. Remember, it's not about punishing your body, but understanding it. When you know how it responds, you know how to support it. In summary, if your blood sugar spikes, there's no need to panic. Start with the basics. Hydrate with water and move gently. Two simple, safe, and natural steps that give your body a chance to self-regulate. And before you go, if this video helped you, subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with someone who might need it. Small gestures like these help spread useful, responsible information. See you in the next video. Take care, stay active, and give your body a well-deserved break.